Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we're going to be taking a look at a minimalist wallet from a company called Axwell. But before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, ring the notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content. And with that, friends, let's do it. Alright, so we're taking a look at a minimalist wallet. And yeah, I was checking my email and this company reached out to me and said, you know, hey man, we like your YouTube channel. You know, you want to check out one of our products? Boy, let me tell you something, flattery will get you everywhere. Of course I want to check out one of your products. Because dude, I'm rocking the traditional billfold. This is kind of the miniaturized George Costanza. And actually I took a lot of stuff out of this wallet, so it's a lot thinner than it normally is. And when I got this is what you're going to get. This is what Axwell sent to me. They sent me one of their wallets. Now this is sort of in the new environment that is blowing up of these minimalist wallets. You know, one I think pretty much you and I both have heard of is Ridge, because man, Ridge be pimping these things all over YouTube. But Axwell jumped in the fray with their own offering here. When you go to their website, which I will have a link down in the description box of this video to. And you should check them out. And I'm going to give you a reason why. And I'm also going to tell you something they offered me. But before we cover all that, let's see what's in the box. In the box, you're going to get the wallet that you choose, because they got a lot of different colors, a lot of different varieties. They got aluminum, which are these in different colors. They got a copper one, which looks really cool. They got a carbon fiber one for all you guys that like carbon fiber out there. I know I do. Put carbon fiber on anything, man, makes it look better. And they got some special edition ones. These wallets to me are kind of interesting because, like I said, my exposure to these minimalist wallets is very limited, other than just watching YouTube videos, oddly enough, of people that get other brands. And there's all kinds of different ones. Generally, these are all the same. These are two plates that are joined with this elastic band, and they hold like, I don't know, a dozen cards maybe, and you just feed them in. You have this notch right here. One of the things I found in using this, and I'm going to tell you, just for my due diligence, because I'm not going to lie to you, I'm going to tell you the truth. I used this thing for about 8 weeks, okay? And if I had to slim down what I carry, which was very hard for me to do, because like I said, man, I'm rocking that thick wallet. You kind of learn, the order in which you put your cards in here, which helps greatly when you go to push it. It has this little tab right here. So you can push on the tab to kind of deploy the cards out, and you kind of know which card you need. You can pull it out real easy, slip the card right back in, no worries. This wallet, I do like a concept they have. They have these cover plates on the back side right here. Hope you can see that. This thing is magnetic. It snaps right off. You can buy these cover plates in different colors. So if you get the frame of the wallet one color, you can get the cover plate a completely different different color. This is going to be your money holder, okay? This is where I ran into one of my first problems. Well, actually, one of my first problems was slimming down to begin with. It's very hard for me to do. You guys watch my videos, you know how old I am. I'm, pushing 50. I'm very much set in my ways, and I like carrying a lot of stuff, so it's very hard for me to slim down. But one thing I do carry, I'm one of those dinosaurs. I still carry cash. I like to carry between 8 to 10 to 12 ones. I like to carry a couple 5s, 1 or 2 10s, 2 or 3 20s. That adds up. Folding it in half, trying to stick it in here really didn't work. But Axwell does kind of have you covered, because in the box here, along with a nice little card that has Axwell on it, Axwell Wallet, I should say. On this card, they give you some little instructions, which was helpful. Because I did the typical thing that a YouTuber, a content creator would do. I went to YouTube, watched a YouTube video on it. They give you some directions on how to get you started on loading the card, that kind of stuff. They also give you instructions on here if you want to attach the included money clip. And also, who can forget a sticker, right? We all love stickers. The money clip was fine. The only issue I had with it, with the amount of bills that I carry, and not no high roller, I just like carrying some 1s and 5s. And stuff like that. When I folded over, this money clip was kind of hard to hold that much money folded, okay? This clip was really hard. This is really meant to carry, maybe I could see 2 to 3 bills, folded up and then folded again. So that was going to be one of my only issues with it, and that's carrying it on a day-to-day basis, which is one of the things I found how this wallet fits into my life, which I'm going to talk about here in just a second. But first, yes, this company did reach out to me. They sent me this wallet, and I do like it, especially how I figured it's going to fit into my life, which we're going to talk about here in just a second. I promise I'm getting there. They offered me an affiliate link. I'm not going to take it. I'm not going to take it for one reason. It's not because I don't like the product. It's not because I don't like the company. This company, they have a philanthropy. They donate to the Veterans Community Project here in the USA and the Homes for Heroes in Canada. This is philanthropy that does, they build tiny homes for homeless veterans, man. This is stuff that I very much, down to my core, believe in supporting. And I don't want to take an affiliate link from this because I want this company that I'm going to, promote to you guys, because I do believe this is a good product, and I personally used it, like I said, for about 8 weeks. If you're going to buy it, I want them to make as much money as possible, because these guys do support these veterans that are going through it, and it's a very good cause. It's one I greatly support. I have a lot of friends, man, at the range. They're all vets, and they're all awesome people. I love talking to them. I love hearing their stories, and between me and you, I like it when they give me some training and they teach me all a lot of cool maneuvers and stuff. I really dig on that because I'm a dirty civilian, never served in the military. Have a father that served in Vietnam and have a grandfather that served in World War II. So I didn't, that was one of a choice. Plus I was medically exempt. They wouldn't have taken me anyway because I got medical problems. But be that as it may, if you go down to the description box of this video, we'll have a link to their company. They have wallets, all different kinds of wallets, all different configurations of wallets, but they also have key holders. Let's see, I got a thing here. They got AirTag money clips. So you can have a money clip that will have one of them cool AirTags. If you're like me and you're starting to get up there in age and you forget where you put stuff, you got an AirTag. How cool is that? They got, it's a wallet tracker. They got a coin tray, and they got a multi-tool card that you can also slip into this wallet. So for all of us EDC guys, you can carry a cool multi-card in here too, with a couple credit cards. Now, in using this wallet, how did this wallet fit into my life? Well, on a day-to-day basis, it was hard. It's really hard for me to give up the old tried and true billfold. But I'm going to tell you this. This thing does have the RFID blocking abilities built into it. It's kind of the point of having wallets like this. Matter of fact, on the back of the box here for the features, they got ultra slim, indestructible design, mag lock cover plates, which is that magnetic, plate that comes off. Blocks RFID, the wireless theft protection. Made from aerospace grade materials, and it's backed by their lifetime warranty, right? First thing that popped in my head when I sat down after about 8 weeks and I said, okay, I don't think carrying this every day is going to be for me. So I sat down and I thought about it. When would I have a need for this? Then bam, it just hit me like a ton of bricks. Man, I like going to theme parks. What's the one thing you give up if you're a guy that cares about your personal security? What's one thing you really give up when you go to a theme park or other amusement type place? You give up your personal space. You're packed in there, man. You're packed in there like sardines, right? And what happens? Well, how for someone of a nefarious nature, right? Man, a theme park place like that, people everywhere. You're worried about your kids. You're worried about this. I'm worried about trying to get a popcorn bucket. I'm trying to get my Slurpee over here. I'm trying to get in line for this ride. There's people everywhere. People right here. People everywhere. Man, somebody could walk right up to me with, I don't know what it is, some kind of scanner or whatever, and there ain't nothing for somebody to wave it by your pocket and get you. This right here. This is when I need this. I need this when I'm on vacation. Because I'm going to tell you, when I'm on vacation anyway, I don't carry all my stuff. I hide it in my luggage, but I only take, seemingly what I believe I need, which is like 2 or 3 cars, which is what this thing is made for. And it protects me at the same time. So I said, bingo, man, this is jackpot. This is when I need this wallet. So if you have adopted one of these wallets, I'd like to hear about it in the comment section down below. If you can, if you're an old dinosaur like me, man, you come from the billfold and you made the transition to a minimalist wallet, I'd really like to hear about it in the comment section down below. Or have you even considered, well, you know, hey, man, these wallets are not for me, like I did, you know, but in certain circumstances, this thing is invaluable. That's where I landed. I landed in that category. Every day, it's not for me. But man, when I'm on vacation, having this in my front pocket with just the few cards I'm going to carry anyway, that's to me, this is where it's at. I love it. I love it. And I probably would have never thought about it had Axwell not sent me this wallet and me use it to get that user experience out of it, to come to that conclusion. So I'm very thankful. I'm very thankful for Axwell for sending this to me. I will use it when I definitely go on vacation, when I'm in those types of scenarios that warrant this for my peace of mind. And, you know, I wanted to do this video because, as I said, I don't have an affiliate link to give to you. I can't save you no sweet 5 or 10% to try to get a kickback. I want this company to get every penny. I want this company to get every penny to help all of the veterans through those 2 philanthropies because they need it. So, yeah, that's my piece, guys. This is a good product. I like it, you know, even though I didn't get to choose, you know, I didn't get to choose which wallet I was going to get. I didn't get to do no cool configuration. You know, I just took what they sent me, and it's fine. I may go back. I'm probably going to go back and look at the carbon fiber wallets myself and probably buy one of the carbon fiber wallets because those look really, really neat. I really like that. So, anyway, I hope you found this video useful and informative, and maybe it did maybe kind of open your eyes a little bit more to the particular environments in which, even if this type of wallet is not an everyday thing for you, it could be very, very useful in those type of situations. That will give you peace of mind, man, because let's face it, when you're on vacation, I know when I'm on vacation, man, I got a wife and 2 kids, man, I got enough on my mind. I don't need to be worrying about some old smooth criminal trying to rub up on me, man, trying to steal all my credit card information. I ain't got time for all that kind of flim-flam. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, man, go to Axwell. I will have a link to them in the description box of this video. And just do me a favor, man. Just tell them old Brad from Brad's Journey on YouTube turned you on to it. That's all I would ask for you to do. I want them to know that if this motivated you to go check them out or even purchase one, I'd like them to know it came from me. Not for no monetary gain, just for the fact that I'm out here trying to support the product. It would mean a lot to me. And yeah, that's all I got, guys. This is a really good product. It's really good philanthropy. I like it. I think you should at least check them out. It's worth your consideration. And with that, that's all I got. Hope to see you down below in the comment section. Get down there and sound off. Let me know you're here. And with that, guys, hope you are doing wonderful, man. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.